Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to break down the YouTube income system that pays me every day, even when I don't post. So what this system is built around affiliate marketing and not AdSense. And I mainly do this with another channel I have. It's a review channel. So I will make content. I will share Amazon links. If people click on my links and buy something, I'm getting a commission of that sale. And I'm also getting commissions not just from that product of the link they clicked on, but other things that they purchase and have in their cart as well. So with this system, YouTube is pretty much a traffic engine. I'm just leveraging YouTube because YouTube is a search-based type of platform. So I'm using SEO, I'm using YouTube to generate the traffic to get to my content and to get to my Amazon links. And the income comes from buyer intent. It doesn't come from going viral. I'm not focused on that. I'm thinking about making content that people will make a purchasing decision. So for example, product reviews, they have good buying intent. If someone is interested in a product, they're probably going to search on YouTube before purchasing that product. And I also make sure that my content is SEO optimized. So I'm positioning my content in areas where people are actively searching for those keywords or keyword phrases. Next, I want to share why this system works long term. So I post the content one time and these videos keep working for me and keep making me money for long periods of time. Sometimes it's a couple months, sometimes it's even years. So even when I don't upload, these videos are still making me money. I have videos from years ago where I'm still generating income because the content is searchable and evergreen content. I'm not trying to go viral. I'm not chasing huge spikes. I'm chasing consistent traffic that continues to work for months and years. And this income system has honestly changed my life and my business. It gives me more flexibility and it gives me more freedom with my time because I can step away from it and still make money. Also, I don't have to worry about burnout because I don't have to post every single day. Even recently, I kind of scaled back my posting. When I first started this other channel, I was posting more just because I was trying to build up the channel and just get, more videos out there. But now I'm just posting maybe 3 times a week. The focus for me is not about posting more, it's just about posting the right stuff, sticking to the system of leveraging YouTube, using it as a traffic source, and then making sure that the content is searchable and that it has buying intent. And because of this system, my business is more stable. Like I get paid every day. I know I'm going to get paid every month. And sometimes it does fluctuate, but this is something that comes in consistently every single day. And then I get my paycheck every month. This isn't the only way I make money on YouTube, but it's the system that's worked best for me long term. And if you want to learn how to build leverage through skills, systems, and platforms to create consistent income online and build long term freedom, then subscribe to my channel.